guys, today's the last day we're hosting 30% off of everything on 5-3 Supply. If you want to learn more about 5-3 Supply and our brand and our story, make sure you click the link in the top of the description. But save 30% by using code OVERSTOCK. We're gonna clear out some more stock, getting ready for the next season. Enjoy the video. What's up? Good morning, everyone. Oh, that's a little bit wider of an angle. So I told you guys last video that I would start off giving you progress to the Need for Speed Underground game that I was playing. And yeah, so let's go ahead and maybe go underground. And oh, congratulations, you have completed underground mode. That took me 3 days. It's like, dude, it was ridiculous. He did nothing. I have been doing nothing but playing Need for Speed over the past few days, and I'm not really that upset about it. It's been really fun, but it's been kind of sad. I do have Need for Speed Underground 2 on the way. As you guys saw, I had Most Wanted just sitting there, and I gotta admit, it's not as fun as I remember it being. Underground series is way, way better. I think I'm gonna get an HDMI adapter so that I can actually stream. That's what I've been doing. Good vibes only today, boys. We gotta get some stuff switched around. Yeah, don't worry about what's going on here. Let's get some stuff switched around in the garage. I was fixing some stuff on the Lexus, and it shouldn't have a death wobble anymore. Baby girl, you've taught me so much, and we have grown so much together. Keys here. That was creepy. Good morning. Morning, dude. So we're doing the final adjustment of the coilovers to try and get them at the right ride height. Okay, so it's looking a little bit better. It's about, on this side I would say about ½ an inch higher probably. And on this side it's about 1 inch higher on the other side. Which is good because with both of us in the car, we were rubbing the entire test drive the other day. So as soon as those are on, you want to take it for a spin around the block again? Gonna have one less car today, boys. And that is not April Fool's. Now let's hop in this baby. So. It's okay. I don't think they like me much. So this is my homie, Johnny. You guys should 100% know who this guy is by now. He's the guy who... I'm jealous. It feels so good. This is the guy who wires all my stuff, and he has been interested in the Subaru. Johnny said he wanted the car the other day, and made me an offer I can't refuse, so... Yeah! Oh! That's a sound I'm all too familiar with. Alright, let's slow down. It gets really bumpy here. Use those brakes. Oh yeah, baby!
I forgot all-wheel drive turning radius.
Oh yeah, turning radius is good. Oh, we're in the middle of the road!
The clutch feels really good, actually.
Yeah?
I'm surprised.
It's honestly like it drives super well. This car is awesome. Ah!
I'll change your seatbelts on.
So what's awesome is this car is going to stay in the fam. Johnny, again, I'm always at his place. He works at Loud and Clear Audio, and I'm usually there. If I ever have problems with my Lexus or literally any other car, he helps me all the time. And he's been in my videos. He sat in my Lexus, very pretty, upside down with his belly showing. That was my favorite. But the Subaru for me was a test of faith in myself.
So now whether I have to have faith in you.
Yeah. The biggest thing for me was believing in myself that I could fix the car. I didn't really want a Subaru WRX. I ended up choosing one anyways. We rebuilt it, and now I have too many cars. So I need somebody else to take them. But it'll still be on the channel. So if you ever want like a big turbo or anything like that,
yeah, of course.
We'll just do it. We did it in my lift in the garage. And then the only thing you gotta do is get these pretty boys on.
That's the easy part, right?
That's the easy part. And you'll have the nice Camber Stancy boy life.
Right.
And Johnny the sweetheart is soldering up a wire for me. It's so nice. What is this?
Oh,
is this the nitrous button inside my...
Yeah, what I think it is, someone cut the turn signal wires and ran this in between it.
Okay.
So I'm thinking maybe it was some kind of like, You could pop open the hood, turn this on, and make the turn signals balance left and right.
Oh no! Oh, we got to do that again, but like do a better version of that.
Right. This is. I mean, you can see it was nice and waterproof. Totally meant to be in under the hood. I mean, it's great.
No rust at all. I recommend importing a car from Japan because it is funny. Alexis poo-pooed a little bit on the lift. Oopsies. Sorry, dude. I'm gonna make it nice and shiny for you. Nice and shiny. So many fond memories with this car. This was fun. I can't say yes or no as to if I would ever rebuild a broken car ever again, but I have to say I did it, and I'm proud. And I made a pretty car. Now somebody else gets to reap the benefits, so I can get something different or fill my garage with things that I'm already working on. I hope you enjoy it, dude. She's dear to my heart. Oh, thanks. I like that. Have fun. Go clean her up, and I'll swing by and see her very soon. This is crazy, guys. One more look at what this car looked like before and then what it looks like now. It's so crazy. It still blows my mind that we ended up doing this, and I'm really happy that it's going to a really good friend, and we're going to be able to continue to see it, but I really want to see it cleaned up and continue to be worked on, and not go to somebody who's just going to throw it straight into a wall first time they drive it. You're not going to throw it into a wall first time you drive it, right? Okay. It's your first turbo car, right?
My first own turbo car, yes.
Hey, now you get to enjoy the fun of
whoosh.
Of whooshy whooshy. Bye. Bye-bye. I'll see you soon, bud. Aww. Bye-bye. Oh, that car's so freaking cool. You guys have no idea how excited I am that this car is going to Johnny. He's been a really good friend of mine for a while, and I know he's gonna take really good care of it. Again, that car for me was just a test to see if I could do it. And after I did it, I was just like, well, what now? I still have a deep love for Subarus in my heart, but if I'm ever to actually own a Subaru again, like want to keep it, it's probably gonna be a hatchback STI like I had in the old days. But this is great because getting this out of the garage allowed me to justify the next step for my 350Z, which is gonna be very fun. It kinda hurts a little bit because we spent so much time and effort on that car, but it was another thing that was like we spent so much time and effort on it that I just kind of made me mad, and I just like lost the desire. And I know a lot of you guys loved that car, but again, that car was just an experiment for us to see if we could do it. Guess what? We did it. We did do it, but we have other stuff to take care of. This is the car that I will forever have the most mixed emotions with in the whole planet. I'm gonna scare you a little bit. The axle, because of how many times I've clutch kicked this car and drifted this car, one of the axles was starting to come a little bit out of the diff. So no big deal. And there's a couple things that got loose just over the months of me drifting this car, and we fixed it. So there's no death wobble. It's safe to drive. I was gonna get gas, but this thing's so low on gas, I can't make it to the E85 station. So I'm gonna have to get my gas tank in another car, bring it back another day. Back to the basics. Now I can have my 350Z, I can have all of my cars in here without having to like neglect one and put it outside. I'll probably have the Z permanently up there because, you know, it's the race car. That's kind of the race car too. The race car's over here. There's just one more thing we need to do to commemorate the Subaru. Today, guys, I want you to believe in yourselves. That's a very important message that I've been wanting to portray for a long time. But I think another one that I want to go back on and say, as my daily advice for the end of this video, I want to say that this one's so important, so I want to continue to remind you like once a week. Don't wait to be happy. So many times we wait in our lives, we're like, okay, once we get this job, once we get this house, once we get this apartment, once I get out of school, once I get this girlfriend, I will be happy. Whatever it is, I'll get this car part or whatever, I'll get happy. Money does not bring you happiness. Cars do not bring you happiness. Relationships don't bring you happiness. In order to be happy, you have to be happy before all of that so that you can be thankful for what you have. So just whatever situation you're in right now, I want to encourage you to just be thankful for whatever position that you're in right now. Be grateful for what you have, the simple things. Be thankful for the shoes on your feet, the eyes you can see out of, the ears you can hear out of, the mouth you can speak with, the nose you can, like, you have hands to work with, legs to walk with. There's always something to be grateful for in life. So I want to encourage you guys to remember to just take a step back. If you're going through something crappy, going through a hard time, don't wait to be happy, just be thankful now. Even though I want this, those things are not going to make you happy. They never will until you're happy before you get them. That's my message and encouragement for you guys today. I won't miss the Subaru that much because really it's still going to continue to be on the channel. It's an awesome car. I'm so confident in all the work that we did to it. It was really awesome. The car's solid, and I'm just hoping that it's just the best car in the world for Johnny. Very excited that he's the one that got it as well. Anyways, I love you all. See you guys later. Peace out. I got 2 videos for you boys right there in front of you. You need to watch both of them. Don't click out of Evan Shanks' channel. Evan Shanks is me, by the way. Go watch some of my videos. If you already watched those 2 videos, thanks, but watch some more.